If you're thinking about using Roofstock for your real estate investments, you'll want to know a few key things before you make a decision. In this video, we'll go over the 12 things you need to know before buying and compare it to other property management options so you can make a more informed choice. First off, Roofstock is well known for simplifying the process of investing in rental properties. It's designed for people who want to invest in single-family rental homes without the headaches of traditional real estate, like tenant management or property upkeep. But is it the right choice for you? Next thing to consider is the fee structure. Roofstock charges a commission for each sale and a property management fee if you choose to have them handle the tenant side of things. While this is standard in the industry, competitors like Fundrise or Realty Mogul have different pricing models that might appeal more to investors looking for lower fees. The third thing you need to know is the level of property vetting Roofstock provides. Roofstock has a certification process for properties listed on their platform, meaning they inspect and provide a detailed report. However, this doesn't guarantee that every property will be flawless. Other platforms may offer similar certifications or even more detailed inspections, depending on your needs. The fourth thing to think about is their marketplace. Roofstock's online marketplace allows you to browse fully vetted investment properties, but if you're looking for a more hands-on, local approach to property selection, platforms like Real Wealth Network may offer better options with more personal support and guidance. Next, you'll want to understand the property management options. Roofstock partners with third-party property managers. If you're not interested in managing your properties, this is a helpful option. But keep in mind, these third-party managers can come with their own set of fees, so it's something to consider in terms of ongoing costs. Other property management platforms might offer more flexibility or in-house management teams that can give you more control. Next thing to think about is Roofstock's focus on single-family rental homes. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio, you might want to consider platforms like Fundrise, which offer commercial real estate and multifamily units, broadening your investment opportunities. The seventh thing to know is how they handle property financing. Roofstock works with a network of lenders, but you may find that their financing options aren't as competitive as other services. Companies like Peer Street provide direct investment opportunities with competitive lending terms, which could be an alternative to consider. The eighth thing is that Roofstock's platform is user-friendly, making it easy to browse, research, and make investments. However, some investors find that other tools, like those offered by Realty Shares, offer more detailed financial projections and performance analysis. Next, consider the property locations. Roofstock typically offers properties in markets with higher rental demand, but these markets may not always align with your investment strategy. If you're looking for more regional or niche markets, you might want to explore other platforms that cater to those areas. The 10th thing to know is Roofstock's educational resources. They provide valuable tools like webinars and guides for first-time investors. While this is useful, platforms like RealCrowd offer more personalized investment advice and ongoing support throughout your investing journey. The 11th thing is Roofstock's customer support. While they do provide assistance, their response times can sometimes be slow. If you're someone who values quick and reliable support, you might want to look into services like Rentec Direct, which offers 24/7 customer support. Finally, Roofstock's returns can be attractive, especially for long-term investors looking for stable rental income. However, it's important to keep in mind that real estate is always a long-term game, and returns can vary depending on market conditions. If you're looking for more immediate returns or a platform with higher liquidity, platforms like CrowdStreet might be better suited to your needs. So, is Roofstock a good option for you? It's definitely a solid choice for real estate investors who prefer a streamlined process with vetted properties. But if you want a better option with more flexibility, lower fees, or access to a broader range of investment opportunities, be sure to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.